Plus, you must have this construction arc. Check. Do you have that construction arc? You know, it is easy. It is easy for you to draw a 90-degree. But you stop drawing the vertical line at 2.5 cm. I believe many of you would be very tempted to do that. 90-degree one, I can use my ruler, put it there. It's 2.5 cm. Why should I draw beyond 2.5 cm? Why can't I just leave it as 2.5 cm? How about I just stop there? When I just stop there, then it looks very neat. I don't have extra line. But now I'm telling you again, these are not extra lines. These are working lines that we want to see. If you miss out what is circled in red, I will deduct marks. I want to see you cut so that the point Z is very clear. We do not denote points. We do not draw a 7 cm line like this. 7 cm. For example, A, B. We draw it this way. A, 7 cm, B. Okay? I need you to show me intersections. Okay, class. So we need to have dashes like this over there. So 130 degrees, 2 cm. Likewise, you draw all the way. Draw your line very long, 130 degrees. Then you mark out 2 cm. I need to see points of intersection. Can? Okay, now homework questions from your textbook. 7.45789. Is this from your 1B textbook? 1A, yeah. 1A, okay. 1A. So, in a trapezium, of course, you have parallel sides, KL, NF, so on and so forth. So let's look at the constructed diagram. Okay, so your constructed trapezium should look something like this, but the one thing they didn't do properly is to extend all the points that I mentioned. You have to extend them. It cannot be ending. For example, at point N, it cannot just be ending over there. I need to see line points of intersection. Likewise for all the arcs. So 5 is simple. Next, let's look at question 7. Okay. X, Y, Z. Okay, let's take a look. Sketch out a triangle so you know roughly what it looks like, and it is a right angle triangle. So you should have at least one construction arc. Again, I say again, we need all these lines to be extended all the way to cut, and with the 90 degrees. Next one, measure the length of XY, give the answer correct to the nearest 0.1 cm. Why does it have to be equal to the nearest 0.1 cm? Because the ruler only can measure 1 mm, up to 1 mm only. So that's why nearest 0.1 cm. So let's look at what the length XY would be. 6.0, sorry. Doesn't matter as long as your points are correct, either clockwise or anti-clockwise. So part C, classify X, Y, Z. Of course, it's a right angle triangle. So this is question 7, 8, and 9, right? 8. Another triangle. This time it is a triangle with 30 degrees. Yes, yes. Huh? The previous one was a right angle triangle. Yeah. Yes. Classify XYZ by side. So then what would your answer be? Scaling? No, it is not. It is a right angle triangle. Okay. Even if it is a by side scaling triangle, doesn't answer the question. Anyway, a right angle triangle is not a scaling triangle. A right angle triangle is a special type of triangle. So this particular question, the phrasing not very well done. Basically, name the type of triangle that you see. It is a right angle triangle. Okay, ignore the part by side, it's just confusing. Okay, next one, question 8. So draw and measure the angles. Okay, so this is what we expect to see. A triangle that looks like this, it could be rotated, inverted, doesn't matter. Okay, next. Okay, focus. Now, part B. After you have constructed, one easy way for the teacher to check whether you constructed properly is to ask you to measure angle. Your angle is wrong. Obviously, wrong already. Okay. Okay. Very interesting. So, what did the question say? Did it say calculate or measure? Okay, then if it looks like that, you got me lah. Okay, but if you did working, you didn't measure, then you would be penalized. So classify this triangle. This is an it's an isosceles triangle, 4 and 4 cm. Okay. And one last one, question 9. Okay, quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means 4-sided. ABCD with the following dimensions, with only one angle, 2 angles given. So do a sketch. If there is no sketch, it's very difficult for you to visualize what it looks like. So this is what we are expecting to see. You need to have all the construction arts. Okay, that is not shown over here. Okay, does the diagram look something like this? Yeah. Okay, so the checking portion, no checking portion. Okay, so that's all that there is for this particular topic, chapter 7. Okay, now chapter 12 is next. Chapter 12, parts 1 and part 2.